Welcome to Megamation Direct Line Training. This video will look at the equipment entry screen. To access the equipment entry screen, go to Module, Equipment, Equipment Entry. The equipment entry screen is used to create new equipment records. Equipment records are where information about pieces of equipment, buildings, locations, or anything else that work orders will be done against is stored. Equipment is organized into a hierarchical structure using a parent-child relationship. To begin entering a new piece of equipment, enter a new equipment number in the equipment number field. This is the unique identifier for the record, so it has to be different for each piece. The equipment number can be made up of letters, dashes, numbers, or a combination of the three. Next, click in the description field. Note the new entry text in the status bar. Enter a description of the equipment. This is a text field, so it will accept any characters. The parent field is what determines this equipment's position in the hierarchy. If this equipment is at the top of the hierarchy, leave the parent field blank. Position the equipment lower in the hierarchy by entering an equipment number in the parent field. The next field to be filled in is the mandatory class field. Fill this in by clicking the drop-down and choosing from the displayed list. This list is populated in the administration module. Choose a building to assign the equipment to by clicking the drop-down in the building field. Choosing the building will fill both the building number and building name. Choose a room in the building, if applicable, by clicking the drop-down in the room field. Note that both building and room lists are filled by entering buildings and rooms in the Sites, Buildings and Rooms section of the equipment module. This is covered on another video. The location field is an open text field that can be used to document the location of the equipment. Sector, zone, and region codes are set up in the administration module and can also be used to locate the equipment within the facility if needed. The Manufacturer and Supplier Particulars section stores information such as make, model, and serial number of the equipment. These are mostly open text fields to be typed. Purchase and warranty dates can be chosen from the date calendar pop-up. A supplier can be linked to the equipment by either entering a supplier number or using the magnifying glass to search the supplier list. Note the tabs near the top of the screen. Each tab contains information about the equipment. This video will look at only the General and BOM tabs. The rest of the tabs are covered in videos for other modules. Click the BOM tab. The Bill of Materials section can be filled out by entering part numbers from inventory or using the magnifying glass buttons to search for parts. Once all information is entered as desired, save the record by clicking the Save button on the toolbar or using the shortcut keys on the keyboard.